Can you run paid ads without a website? What's up, everybody? My name is Maury Malvo. Welcome to the Paid Media or Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. In this video, I want to answer this question: can you actually run paid ads without a website? Because I've been getting this question a lot. I remember I got this question during my apprenticeship as well. And the overall answer to the question is yes, you can run paid ads without a website, but it limits your options and your effectiveness. So, here are some of the options for running an ad without a website. So the first one that we have is social media profiles. So social media profiles meant to direct ads to your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn profile, especially for lead generation or brand awareness. And there are people that do that. Another option for running ads without a website is actually having a landing page. You can use landing page builder like Ubounce, Lead Pages, Go High Level to create a simple, high converting page without a full website. And you can also do Google Ads call only ads. And this is especially good if you actually provide a service, so you can set up call only ads that connect directly to your phone line. Okay? The biggest thing with this is, yeah, you don't necessarily have to have a website. However, having a website definitely provides you more control, more content, and higher credibility for conversions. There's nothing like having a good, solid website that really builds your digital footprint, your digital reputation, your digital brand. And guys, think about a website kind of it's like a brick and mortar just online. It's like your business but just online. So it's very important to essentially have a website. There's so many things that you can do with a website, guys. You can have a blog, you can have your services on there, your products on there, e-commerce shop, so many cool things that you can do. But overall, eventually you do want to get a website. But if you're just starting out and you want to know if you can run paid ads without a website, yes, you can. And again, the options for that is you can use your social media profile, you can use your landing pages, as well as Google has Google Ads call only ads as well. So this concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know your thoughts and your opinions. And also, if you want to learn more about paid media, I'm going to be coming out with a course. Be sure to check that out, just depending on when you're watching this. But yeah, thank you. Have a good day.